Hello guys, welcome back to the next video in this series. So in this video, what we will be doing is we will be adding a Basemap toggle and a Basemap gallery to display all the list of the base maps available in our map application. So let's get started. So for this one, what we'll be doing is let's look at Basemap toggle first. So we'll be coming to our map view component here and okay, and here what we have to do is we need to add this base map toggle. So base map toggle, what it will do is it will toggle between two base maps which will give here. So let's say like the first base map we have here, it's this one, streets navigation factor vector, and the other one we will be adding, it will be like OpenStreetMap. So or it could be hybrid or a satellite imagery, so it can switch between these two. So for this one, I will be coming to this map view component, and here we will be importing our base map toggle from the library. Okay, so it will be this basemap toggle because it's a widget, so it will be available inside the widgets folder, and here we can say basemap toggle. All right, so now what we have to do is, because we have imported this basemap toggle class, so now we need to create an object for this one, and then this app object we will be adding to the map. So let's create object, and we will be giving this base map toggle. All right, so now here what we have to do is we already have one base map here. So now here I will be like giving this new base map or the next base map which I want to display as a toggle. So I will say here, like we can come to the documentation also, and we can see here like we need to just pass two parameters. One is the view, and the second one is the next, we can say the next base map we want to show. Okay, so we just need to like type the ID for this one. So it could be hybrid or OpenStreetMap. So I will come here and I will say view. Okay, and that view is our map view which we have created here, and the second one is next base map, which base map we want to show. So let's say we say hybrid. Okay, okay, it's done here. So now if we go back to our application, we will not see anything for now, because what we did is we just created this base map toggle. Now we need to add this base map toggle to the map, to the user interface. So for this one, what we'll be doing is we'll be saying map view dot UI. Okay, so it's the user interface which we are saying dot add. And here we will be giving this base map toggle. So now it will be added to our map view, and now we should be able to see this. So we can see it here, but if you look at the position, it's not good. So we will set the position for this also. So here we will be giving the position, and we will be saying we want to display it on the, let's say, bottom left. Okay, and now we can see here it's showing here. All right, so this is our base map toggle. It's added here. We can switch between different base maps which we have here. One is the street map and the other one is the hybrid one. All right, so now the next thing we will be doing is we'll be adding the base map gallery. So let's say we don't want to just switch between two base maps. We want to display the list of all the base maps available, and the user can select whichever they want. So for this one, what we'll be doing is we'll be importing the base map gallery from the library. Okay, we'll go to the widgets, and from here we'll be selecting Basemap Gallery. So the same we'll be doing is we have this Basemap Gallery class here. We'll be creating the object for this. Okay, and all right. So for this one, we just have to provide the view. So I will say our view is this map view. Okay, and the next step is to add this base map gallery like we did for base map toggle. We need to add this to the map view, so so it should display on the user interface. So we will be doing the same thing actually. So let's say we have this our code here, we add this, and here I will be giving the base map gallery, and of course we will be displaying it on a different position. If we will display it on the same position, it will override the same one, and we cannot see the base map toggle. So here I will be giving the position top right. Okay, let's save it. Let's go back to our application. All right, perfect. So we can see here our different base maps. So I will refresh the application. We can see our graphics added here. We can see our base map toggle. So I can switch between different. And here we see all the base maps available. So let's say I go to this night one. Okay, and let's move to a different one. And this one, let's say we select this one. Okay, so and then this is probably I think the OpenStreet. No, this is from the esri. Yeah, so we can see here. So we added a base map toggler and a base map gallery to switch between the different base maps. So that's it for this video, and thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.